I'm gonna change it to event, and then this change has to be deployed, so then only the new code will take place. So now I can run the test. So let's click on the test. You can see it's returning the updated output. So this is just the event has the information about the request, whatever is being sent in the request, that you can access through. And this is some configuration about Lambda, some environment variables you can assign, some tags, if it is connected to any databases, concurrency, code signing, and other information you can check here. So you can delete, publish a new version, also create some alias also for this Lambda. So this is the template, AWS template for this Lambda, how it is defined. And then these are the versions. Currently no published version is there, so you can see the code. So this is the code for the Lambda. So it's a default code, you can change according to your requirement.